with you.
Okay, I'm glad you came back. So, you saw my BOT recipe. You saw how I did it. You know, I mentioned there was a lemon dill mayo sauce in it, right? And I said, if you guys want to know how to make it, I will show you how to make it. It's real simple, not a problem. I'm doing that today for you guys. Now, you can add additional things to it, things that make it pop. For example, red onions, a little bit of garlic. Hey, white onions, chives will work, right? Bacon bits will work. A little Dijon mustard added to it will work. It's basically up to you. This is what we're making. Here we go. It's real simple, right? You can get another little taste, because I like this. I tasted it before, but I like it. Oh, nice. Tangy, because of the mayo and the lemon juice that's in it. The dill gives a nice flavor, fragrant. It's vibrant, right? It goes good on any cold cut sandwich, right? Especially BOTs, with the crispy bacon on there. Oh man, the tomatoes. I know you're gonna enjoy this. Check it out. Hey, this is Shrashira. That's the best elevator music I ever heard. Now, there have been some inquiries on the mayonnaise, the lemon mayonnaise dill spread that I use for my BOT. So, like I said, people have hit me up for it, so I'm going to show you how I make it. It's so simple, you won't believe it. It's full of flavor, and I know you're going to enjoy it. So let me show you how to do this real quick. So real simple, what we have here is about a half a cup of your favorite mayonnaise. This is just a standard mayonnaise. Teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of pepper, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. Now if you have lemon zest, if you can get your hands on that, throw that in there too, about a tablespoon of it, you'll be golden. And I have here about 2 tablespoons of fresh dill. Now, if you don't have fresh dill, you can use a dry dill, but with the dry dill, you only want to put about, I would say start off about a tablespoon and then taste it and see what you're working with. Okay? Let's get this mixed up. So we have our mayonnaise here, we're gonna add our salt. And the salt and pepper is basically the taste. Here's the pepper. Our lemon juice. And then our dill. Get the dill in there. Okay? Now let's get this mixed up. Yeah. Love this little whisk. Comes in handy. Okay, let's get our tasting chopsticks. Yep. Give it a little taste. Pretty good. Not bad. Now you want this to sit in the refrigerator for at least a half hour to chill. Okay? And then you'll be ready to go. So here we go. We have our mayo. It's a lemon dill mayo. This is a good sandwich spread. It works excellent on BOTs, cold cuts. You can even use this in a salad as a dressing, right? So if you like this, hey, give me a thumbs up. Try it for yourself. Hey, if you're not part of the Peanut Gallery, hey, definitely hit subscribe, hit that bell, and if you can, hey, share me out. And also, if we're not hooked up on Instagram, come on, man, hook it up. Hook it up, because I always let you know what I got coming up next. That being said, this is Shrashira. Hope you enjoy it. I'm out.